Hi class 9 students, this is targeted preparation, lecture 4, chapter 2 kinematics and section B. Okay students, we already been solved above 3 numerical, now this is the time to solve out last 3 numerical. Okay students, numerical number 3, that is from the year 2025. A ball falls down from top of height 90 meter. Falls down means it's the hint of the initial velocity would be 0. Height h is given 90 meter. How much time will the ball takes to reach the ground? Time is required. If ball is falls down, it means it is the motion under the gravity. Write down the side heading of data. Initial velocity 0 because they give us the condition ball is falls down. Height is given 90 meter. Acceleration due to gravity g is always equals to 10 meter per second square. Write down the side heading of solution. Now we can use the second equation of motion. It is S is equals to VIT plus GT square upon 2. We can convert it into the motion under the gravity. So we can write H instead of S and G instead of A like this. Now the equation become like this. H is given, Vi, the hint is given and G is the constant. Now substitute all the given value. No need to conversion because all the units given in the SI unit. 90 meter height 0, initial velocity 10, the value of G. Now everything multiplied by 0 becomes the 0. Now in the next step 90 is equals to 10t square upon 2. 10 divided by 2 become 5t square. In the next step you clearly seen 5 divided by 90 become 18 and take the root on the both side and we take t is equals to 4.24. This is the root of 18. This is the final answer. Numerical number 4. From the year 2024, a bus start from rest and travel along a straight path. From rest is the hint of the initial velocity would be 0. Its velocity become 15 meter per second. Final velocity is given 15 meter per second in 5 seconds. 5 seconds is the time is given. Calculate acceleration of the bus. Like acceleration is required. Now make the data first. Initial velocity 0 meter per second not given but the hint is given. From the rest means initial velocity is 0. Final velocity Vf is given 15 meter per second and time is given t is 5 seconds. And what is requirement? Acceleration is required. Now we have going to solve it. Solution, we have a formula of acceleration. It is very easiest formula Vf minus Vi upon t. Substitute all the given value, no conversion is required, all the unit is given in the SI unit. So 15 minus 0, 0 is initial velocity, 15 is final velocity, time is 5 seconds given. 15 divided by 5 become 3 and 3 meter per second square is it is our final answer. Now we are going to move numerical number 5 from 2021. A car is starting from rest. From rest means this is the hint of initial velocity Vi is 0. After 20 second t is 20 second, its velocity become 108 km per hour. This is the final velocity. Find the acceleration. Acceleration is required. Now make the data. Write the side heading of data. Enlist all the given data. Initial velocity Vi is 0. Final velocity 108 km per hour. Time is given. Time is 20 second. And acceleration is required. A is required. 108 kilometer per hour, this is not the SI unit, we have to convert into meter per second. So we can eliminate k by the 1000 and hours into 3600 seconds. We can divide 1000 by 36, we can get 5 divided by 18. Now put it into the calculator and get the answer which is 30 meter per second. Write down the heading of the solution. Here we have the formula of acceleration. A is equals to Vf minus Vi upon t. Acceleration is required, so we can use the formula of acceleration. 30 is the final velocity, that is we convert into the SI unit. 30 minus Vi is 0. T 20 second is given. Now in the next step 30 divided by 20 it will become 1.5 meter per second square. This is the final answer.